Guys, you can't make this stuff up. So I was just talking to the lady that owns this house here. Crazy nice lady. The contractor that owned this backhoe screwed her over for $30,000. He was supposed to build a 2-story garage, and the backhoe was here to dig this out. And you could tell that's as far as he got. She hired somebody else to push us in recently, but this was 2 years ago. And the guy just took off with $30,000, screwed her over big time. And recently she had him arrested, but still hasn't seen any money. I mean, that's probably never going to happen, but this machine is literally sitting, and the reason it really has to go, well, besides they're tired of looking at it, and they got permission to get rid of it, so. But right here is the property line. The guy that owns this house sold, and he can't have a closing until this is gone. Basically, they said, if you can get this thing out of here, it's all yours. It's free. And anytime I get a free piece of equipment, man, I'm there. She did mention when they were digging with it, they had buckets under it because it was leaking so bad. Hydraulic fluid, I'm guessing. And so that's good. It definitely looks like it was bleeding a little bit while I was sitting here. Pretend we didn't see that. Nice absorber rag shoved in there. And the big question is, how many bees nests are in this thing? I'm watching the bees fly out of it. Well, might need bee spray. So what I want to do right now is just kind of walk around it, see what we need. Try not to get stung by bees, and yeah. I have no idea. I don't even know what kind of machine this is. I thought it was a John Deere at first, but oh wait, here we go. All right, what do we got? Massey Ferguson. It's a Massey Ferguson MF60TL. And it's a 9E100768. So I'm guessing it's probably a 1968. Honestly, that's probably the right year for this. Look underneath of it. So there's the oil filter. And I guess a good question is there oil in it? Somebody was playing with the battery here. This battery's a 2022, so I guess that's when he left it here, right? 2 years ago. But it's just been sitting, nobody's messed with it. Got a flat tire. Try to open this up again, I don't know. I don't even think anybody's been in here. So far, so good. Wow. Big enough to be an apartment. So supposedly there's no key for it. He took the key or something. I see a push button. I have no idea. I have not messed with this at all. And see, okay. Well, I'm not the best at guessing games, but I would guess there's no hydraulic fluid in this. Stay there. Somehow this opens up. Right there. This little lever. Oh, that's handy. Look at that. Roll out the red carpet. Floor looks like it's just rotten. There's no little flying friends going on. Oh yeah, she's seen better days. Well, probably no brakes either. Let's see if we step up in this beast. Can of bee spray, okay. Well. Disintegrated. Good thing about the enclosed cab is it kept everything pretty dry, you know. Fan. Alright, oh, we got a new battery terminal. I'll take that one. Oh, this is probably where the hydraulic fluid is. See that? Just what I thought. Nothing in it. Maybe a little bit at the bottom, but needs hydraulic fluid. Oh, wow. Condensation. Rusto. Oh, that can't be. It can be, but man, that stinks. Let's go higher. This should go in there, I believe. Where's that all? That's all she wrote. Oof. Another friend. I'll be darned. Ain't that perfect. 4-cylinder diesel engine. 1, 2, 3, 4 injectors. See what this looks like. Oh, look at that. That's not bad. It's actually really clean. Look how clean that is. Okay. That's how it works too. Kind of. Might be too tall. Maybe not. Sweet. Alright, so there is a cable, I believe, for the fuel shutoff. Yeah. So there should be a separate, see this? That should be the fuel shutoff. Well, I mean, we can do it manually. It's just there should be a. Oh man, that's sharp. Oh, this could be it here. Oh yeah. There's a fuel shut off. There's off, on, run, start. We might have to hotwire this key. Pull this apart. I wish I had one of those keys, but I don't. So pull this off, try that. There you are. Oh. We only got 3 wires here, so this is pretty easy. There's our power wire right there. So what we want to do is put power to that. That's our ground. That should be our... Battery's too dead. Ground. Power. There, we got 2 batteries on now. Let's see what this does. They could be in gear too. Oh yeah, it was in gear. So that, I think that's neutral there. Not enough power. Yeah, it already fired. runs, but the line just blew out. Look at it right there. Started right up. Man, shot oil everywhere. It runs though. I tell you, it runs pretty good. Let's see if I get a rag, I can cover that. And then, well, I guess they're gonna settle anyway. I'm just worried this one blew, and then I'm gonna fix this, and that one's gonna blow, and that's gonna blow, that's gonna blow. Well, at least they're short lines, they only go to there. Those don't have long. But they're not that fun to do, see, they're inside. Up there. That's what I mean, this whole thing, this backhoe's useless. You see, they replaced these here at one point. Wish they did those, right? Look at these here too. At least these are all the same. Let's see. Oh, one of these I gotta take this line off to get to that line. Oh yeah, right. You know what's funny? The hydraulic, look how clean that hydraulic fluid looks. No water in it, that's a good sign. So these are the same size hoses. Yeah, that was smart. And same as this, look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. What is that? Oh, check this out. Fuel lift pump, good pump, clogged, cleaned. Here's an extra pump. Gaskets. Look at that. All right. Back in the toolbox. To access everything, like, it kind of makes sense. So the police that are involved in the ongoing court case with this guy stealing the $30,000 from these poor people, they're saying that if I take the backhoe, it would have to be more of a storage thing because it's an ongoing case, open case. And so if I take it, I could try to get them for storage or something like that, but they would have to give my information to this guy, this contractor, that's got 2 felonies against him for robbing multiple people, just come to find out. The only thing I'm worried about is if I put a bunch of money into this machine and they come and take it. You know, the police can come and take it from me. Not willing to get a bill of sale for it, I don't know. You know, we got it running. It's a shame because it runs really good, but then I got, like, taking these lines off and just found that out. Now I'm kind of like, do I even want to get involved in this mess? Because it's not, this thing's worth like nothing. Like, that tire's probably going to go flat all the time. These lines back here are shot. You know, they're going to blow out right away. Probably driving it down the road. It's got no brakes whatsoever. But we did get it running. After sitting, it's pretty good. You know, the bucket's not in bad shape. Notice this piston here is leaking, so like, I'm not gonna spend thousands of dollars getting pistons rebuilt. I don't know if the block has, there's no antifreeze in it, so the motor could have a crack. I mean, we don't know. We have no idea. No hydraulic fluid. That's obviously all drained in this guy's yard. This tire and wheel looked like it was, well, the tire's got cracks, but the wheel looks pretty new. You know, the whole cab's rotted out. This is all rotted. These pistons are leaking back here, and then these hoses. Windows busted out. And this thing's a 1968. This is pretty useless for anything. I mean, honestly, it could be good for a farmer to take the whole back off of it and just use it to pick up round bales with the front end load, you know, something like that. But you know, at the end of the day, I would give it to a farmer or even sell it for a couple grand. That was the original deal. But guys, this isn't going anywhere. Let me know what you think in the comments. I usually wouldn't put a video out not finished, but I'm really kind of, I don't know anything about this machine. We just know it's a Massey Ferguson 60. Is that what I said? Oh, Massey Ferguson 60 TL. I'm gonna put the hose back on, shut everything up, and I'm gonna end this video. And I'm gonna, guys, really let me know in the comments if you think it's worth messing with this, or should I not get involved with it. Again, I wouldn't usually put a video out not finished, but I'm just kind of, I don't know what to say about this. I mean, I really don't need it. I have my 4-wheel drive backhoe I bought off Andrew, so kind of right in the middle of finishing that project up. It's not like I need projects, but all right, guys, let me know what you think. Maybe you'll see this again.